I will give you. I'm sharing my screen. Okay. I will give sample data. Just tell me how many records I will get with all the joins. Okay. Let's consider only having one column. Okay. Next, this is table B. Can anybody tell me how many records will get with the inner join? How many records you will get with the left join? How many records you will get with the right and full? Let's see. I think also this one. One also. Hmm?
Inner will get one, again one,
Okay.
then two,
Hmm. Hmm.
uh, nothing. Null will get.
Null will get. Is null will match?
Null will not.
We won't. We cannot do anything, right? We cannot do joins with null values.
Yes.
So that we won't do. Left join.
Then one, two, two, three.
Okay. One, two, two, three.
One, two, two, three. Next, one, one,
Null will get right.
one, one.
Left join
Again.
means left side table. All the records will get right.
Yes, yes.
So null also will get. I am considering this is the join column only. Okay. You can assume we are having more number of columns, but this is join column only. Okay. So in that case, null also will get. Okay. Next, right join.
Same structure with left side column. Right
Okay.
side will get all records.
Yeah.
2, 5,
One
6,
one will
10.
get. Yeah. Two will get. Next,
Yes.
five and six
6
along with the
null.
null. Right.
Yes.
Same with full outer join also. Right. Full join. Okay, first we'll take the left side values. Now missing the right, missing values of the right side. Right? Right side missing what? 2, 2, 5, 6 is missing. Again, null is there. Okay? This is the count for the joins. So you are clear, right?
Yes.
Yeah. What is self join? Can anybody tell me what is self join? If we want to data, if we want to make the join for on the same table, okay, then that's called in the place of inner join. We are actually for left join and inner join things means we are joining different tables. Okay, self join means in that place we are placing we are using same table. Okay, that is called self join. If we are having data, let's assume EM table having like this. Okay, if we want data for the who is working under Jones. Okay, then how you will write the query? Anybody tell me just one query only I'm asking. who is working under Jones. First, what you have to do? First, you will get the EMP number for the zone. Okay, to whom this EMP number as a manager number, then those persons we can say uh, we can uh, we can consider those employees are working under Jones. Okay, first what we have to do, we should get EMP number from EMP, where to whom we are checking for the Jones, right? E name equal to Jones. Okay, now we are getting the what is the problem? Select. Okay, now we are having the EMP number for the Jones. Next, what is our requirement? We need who is working under the Jones. So simply what we can do, where manager equal to, we can consider this one, right? This CMP number, under this CMP number who are all there, that we can say those persons we can say uh, lower level employees for the Jones. Okay, so now we are getting same query we can write. How, tell me in the by using self join how we can do this one. So like we can define first a EMP table as E1. Okay, EMP table we can say E2. What is join column? E1 dot manager equal to E2 dot EMP number. Okay, to whom we are checking first. Let's see what we'll get. Okay, MP2 from one class. Not properly. Okay. We can consider E1 as the EMP table as the E1. Let's see first what is there this one. Okay, EMP E1, EMP E2. E1 not very important. Okay, we should use where clause, right? On clause will not work for the joins. Correct, right? Okay, now to whom we need the data? Jones, right? And E2 dot E name equal to Jones. Okay, now we are getting the working under Jones. Same result we are getting, right? You are getting or not? Okay. Next, what is Cartesian product? What is cross join? If you want to use the both the table, no matter you are having join column or not, if you want to get the data from both the tables, okay, there is no matter of relation. If you want both the table data, simply you can do cross join here. Okay, let's say for meaningful MP DPT. So you simply can mention cross join here. Even you are not specifying cross join, you are not specifying simply you are using comma also, it will consider cross join. Okay, we are getting the what it will take, what it will return. Each record in the EMP table will match with the each record in the DPT table. Okay, so in that way, for each, see, we are having data in the DPT table having four records, right? Here 40 records. Each record will match with all the four records and will return the result. Okay, this is the cross product. Next, pseudo columns. Yesterday we discussed about level also, right? What is pseudo column? Pseudo column means actually it is not storing in the database separately. Okay, it is the Oracle defined, predefined virtual columns. We can say this one. Okay, predefined virtual columns means if you want to generate the sequence means by using level we can do that one. Okay, we are having one more pseudo column is row number. By using this one also, we can generate the sequence. But row number will allow till how many records are there in your table. Till that number only it will generate the row number for each and see we are selecting employee table. Okay, let's say select star from EMP. Okay, means 14 records. Along with employee details, we need row number. Okay, this is actually this SQL developer is returning this one row number. Normally, if you are executing in SQL Plus or somewhere means it won't show this one. Okay, if you want to generate the sequence number, okay, row numbers. So that time we can use the this pseudo columns. Okay, row id means it's actually internally Oracle will store each and record in different places. So means storage wise we are having like a database name, and actually data will be stored in the blocks. Okay, that block number will get will have that address in the address. Okay, and file number. See, data will be stored in the files only in any database. Okay, so that file number, block number, record number, that means it is the physical address. Okay, physical address of the each and record, that we can say that is row id. Okay, along with that we are having cur value and next value. This will discuss in the sequences topic. Okay, actually if you want generate sequence means normally we'll use the current value and next value. Okay, level, yesterday we discussed in last class we have discussed syntax will be the where level is the keyword. Okay, this will generate the sequence uh, till actually we are not giving any where class for this one. For this one specifically we have to mention the connect by class. We have to give the limit. Okay, till that position it will generate the sequence. See how it will generate. Okay, level is the keyword, it will generate the sequence. Actually do you dual tab is having only one record, right? So if you are selecting the dual table means what it will return normally only single record, but you want to generate the sequence. Okay, you want to generate the numbers till 100. So what you will do, simply select star from dual, connect by level less than or equal to 100, it will generate the sequence till 100. Okay, this is the usage of level keyword. For this one, connect by level will be the where class. Okay, here we need to specify the condition. For this one, we are having uh, uh, sorry, level is a keyword. Uh, Instead of where class, we will specify the connect by class. We are having some other options in this one. Uh, that is the main use. Along with this one, we are having one more thing. Let me take one more example. Okay, another usage for the level. Okay, see here.
Sir, in,
Yeah, yes, Sada.
in this we getting only unique values, sir.
Yeah, unique value we are getting. Okay,
Got
if
it.
you want to generate the sequence till that number means simply you can use the level keyword. Another usage also is there. For that we need to specify some other classes. Okay, that I am explaining now. Okay, one organization is there. Okay, let's assume one company. Okay, you can consider here CEO will be there. Okay, CEO is there. Next, under CEO, who will be there? Who are all the employees? Can anybody guess? Organization wise. Okay, department heads will be there. Okay, just we can say this one. Department one head will be there. Here, department two. Here, one more head is there. Okay, department three. Okay, this hierarchy is what heads HODs. Okay, under department heads, what is the possibility? Next level employees will be the managers, right? Correct or not? Under one departmental ID, we can consider multiple HODs are there. Multiple number of managers will be there. Okay, so here manager one we can consider. Okay, manager two will be there. Here again manager one will be there. Okay, under managers who will be there? Senior employees or team leads. Okay, possible or not? Team lead. Under team lead, team members will be there. Okay, even under team lead also will be having senior employees. Under senior employees, some juniors will be there. Like that, we can consider. Okay, this is some different levels of hierarchy in the organization. Even we are having more number of designations in between that, but just I am example. I want generate. This is the first level employee. This is the second level employee. Manager is the third level employee. Team lead will be the fourth level employee. Uh, em- uh, this is the teammates is the fifth level employee. You want to show the level of the employee. Okay, means organization wise which position he is there. Okay, you want to see that one means here again in this case we can use the level class. Okay, this is also level only, right? By by seeing that word itself, we can identify that one. If we are having the organization means, if we want to see the tree structure, which level he is, okay, means we can use the level keyword that you can see here. Okay, that is also one of the usage. We are having data in EMP table, right? Here we can see that who is under president, who is under manager, who is under salesman. That we already saw that one, right? Okay, who is the highest employee in the employee table?
King.
King means his designation is president. Means he is the first level of the employee. Okay, under king, who is the employees?
Managers.
Manager 7839. 7839 is which may here 7839 under king. Manager is the second level employees. Under manager, just assume this one 7698. 7698 is whose superior is the salesman's superior is the 7698, means Blake is the manager superior for the this salesman designations. Allen Ward, Martin Turner. Okay, next double. So if you want to generate this level, okay, then we can use the level keyword. Okay, what is the syntax for this one? We need to use the from table is and What is the keyword? Next keyword is connect by level. Okay, connect by level. Manager is null. We need to specify, right? First, this is condition for it should start with. Okay, start with manager is null. Connect by level. Okay, you're understanding or not? This start with is separate class. Okay, we need to specify sys connect by path. Okay, here we need to specify the column name. Actually we are getting the column name. Column name means ename. Okay, means we are specifying the level along with the under employees, who is under king, who is under blake, who is under smith. Okay, like that we need to specify. Means actually we need to use the this is separate class is there, sys by connect, sys by connect. Okay, this keyword we need to use. Okay, 1 minute. And start with is the another condition. We can specify this one. Okay, 1 second. Oi, karke bapna. Oi, ekakram bakla. Sorry guys. Yeah, we are having, first we can generate the level for the employees. Select level from employee. Okay, what is our mandatory keyword? Connect by. We need to specify connection, right? Connection means what? Join condition. Manager equal to employee number, right? This is the condition, right? For us, actually in that we are having one more keyword, prior. Means prior, who needs to take, means whether you have to take manager or you have to generate from employee number. Okay, I will write complete syntax, then we'll explain that one. Okay, next start with to whom we need to start with manager is null. Yeah. See, first for manager it will generate the sorry, who is manager is null means for them we can consider level is 1. Correct, right? Muted or not? Yeah. See, if the manager is null means for them we can consider as the he is the highest employee in the organization. Okay. First we can take the manager is null. Next corresponding under superior who is the next level employees. For that we need to specify the prior condition right side. Okay, this is the keyword prior. Okay, means next priority will be the next level of the employee for this particular manager who is the next level employee. Okay, that will take this one. Okay, see, if you want you can see this one e name is the first level employee. If you want you can see their designation also, manager and employee number. See, and he let's consider this is the he is the president. For him, president means manager is null, right? We can say job also. First level employee is the president. For him, there is no superior. Okay, his employee number is 7839. 7839 is who is the manager, to whom he is the manager for him, right? Manager number is 7839. Means for Jones and next manager is where, yeah, it is not ordered. Okay, for clerk and next level is 7839. Yeah, Blake. See, first level employee, these are all the first level employees. King. Okay. Next, whoever having the level as 2, those are all next level employees. Okay. Who is having level 3 means those are all third level under managers. These persons are working. Okay. Means he as an analyst, and third level is analyst, third level salesmen are third level employees, and clerk also third level employee. Next, fourth level employees are who is clerk. Clerks are fourth level employees. Okay, like that we can generate this one. If you want to generate the tree in the tree structure means we can use sim- simply connect by path. Okay, sys connect by path. Sorry, sys connect by path. It will take two parameters, and that is column names, comma. Doing delimiter we need to specify. We can say delimiter like this. Okay, let's see how we'll get the data. See, it will generate the sequence. If you want to make the sequence order by means, just simply can put order by level. Next, first level employees the king. Under king, Jones, Blake, Clark are the next level employees. Under Jones, okay, Ford is the employee. Okay, and Scott is the employee. Okay, yeah, under clerk, who is the employee? See, clerk Miller. It will show the tree structure. We cannot able to see this tree structure like this, but we can generate it. Database, it should be saved, right? If you want to save this data, how we can save? We cannot save the tree structure in the database. Okay, we can save like this. Okay, so Oracle will support to generate the sequence, to generate the data in tree structure. For this one, we have to use the sys connect by path. I confused actually. Yeah, something I did mistake. Okay, this is the one of the syntax. This we can say hierarchical queries. Okay, namely we can say hierarchical queries, level usage and all. Okay, if you want root node, who is the root here? Means who is the base? King, right?
King.
Yeah, if you want to check that one means sys connect by root. One keyword is there, I guess. Root. Okay, sys connect by root is there, that we can use connect by root. This one not required, we can get the root. Here if you I will You are getting a root means just who is the base. Okay. Now in this structure, I need what I did this again. Connect by path, right? This one. Connect by path. This is there. Okay. Okay. For me required who is under work under Blake. How I can get? Can anybody tell me? I don't want king and all. Okay, I need who is working under Blake. From here, I need the structure.
Now we will take a black with
You
root.
can use where
Yeah,
condition.
yeah. Blake is the root employee. So how I can define connect by will be the join column. Can we consider this one? Start with the Blake means it will comes from Blake only, right?
Yes, sir.
So simply we can say e name equal to Blake. So we'll get the who is working under Blake. Okay, it will start from the structure here. Okay, under Blake, James is there, Martin is there, Turner is there, Alan is there, Ward is there. Okay, this is the syntax. Here, earlier manager is general. Now I need under under Jones who is working. Simply we can say Jones, right? Data is case sensitive. We need to specify the how data is stored in the database. If you are querying the data on the data, okay, like this we will get the structure. In this one, I need the root. Simply instead of sys connect by path, you can mention the keyword called connect by root. Okay, this we can do this one. Okay, syntax will be we need to specify the columns along with the level. These are all the optional. Okay, if you want to generate in the tree structure, you need to specify sys connect by path. Okay, keyword should be we should use like this only. Here we can specify the which column you want, that you can specify and delimiter. And if you want to generate the root means if you for you separately you want the who is the root employee means the for that you need to specify the connect by root. Okay, this is table start with to whom you want to start, that you need to specify here in the conditions. Connect by prior is the join column. We can say this one. Self join we are using, right? So there we are not using the where class, right? Instead of where, we should use the connect by class. Okay. This is the one of the uses for the level. Okay. You understood, right? Level.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. We are having the level in the. We can generate the sequence. Okay. Can anybody tell me? I want to generate from today onwards next 100 days dates. How I can generate? I am having the sequence. I want to generate the next 100 days sequence day, calendar. How I can get that one? Simply we can do calculation, arithmetic calculations for the date columns, right? If I specify this date means it will generate the calendar, right? Okay, here today is 12, but it is generating 13. It will do the additions. Okay, date with arithmetic operations only. Simply by using level, you can add the 1 day extra. Okay, if you are doing one means what it will do, it will show the next day. I want next 100 days data means how you can do, you cannot do like that, right? For that actually need to implement the PL SQL procedure. Okay, but we can generate the by using level keyword simply. Okay. Actually it is show level is from level will start with 1, right? I want from today's data. Okay, simply what I will do, it should start with today's. How I can do? Can I do simply -1? Okay, it will generate the from today's day onwards, today onwards. Okay, next 100 days data. You check the row count is 100. Okay, it will generate the next 100 days data, 100 days calendar. This is the one of the uses for the level keyword. Okay, next pseudo column is what? Row number. Already I told, right? If you want to generate the data along with the row number. Row number means the keyword itself, we can identify, right? By seeing the keyword itself, we can identify simply. This is row number means it is data will be shown randomly. Okay, if you are making the order by, it will show in specific order. If you are not specifying the order means randomly data will get. Okay, if you want to see the data along with the table data, if you want to see the row number means you need to specify the separate keyword called row number, and you can specify the columns if you want. Okay, see what it will return. Row number comma e dot star. See, we can see the data along with the row number as a separate column. Okay, now I don't want complete data. Okay, I need only first 10 lines. How I can get? Is there an option without using row number? Just ignore row number. I want only 10 records instead of fetching all the 14 records. How I can get? We cannot get, right. We can get based upon the condition, or we can get the complete data as of now. Okay, but if you want to fetch the limited number of records means by using row number we can do that one. Okay, for this we can use in where class. Okay. Row num is equal to 10. Okay. You are getting or not? If you want fetch only first 10 records, simply it will fetch the 10 records. For this one we can use the row number. Okay, one more thing limitation is row number will not work equality operator for the other than one. Okay, if you want to fetch only 10th record means you cannot fetch like that. So it will show the null values. It won't give any error, but it won't get the record. Why? Because actually row number will generate after executing the statements. Okay, after executing the statement for the result set, it will generate the row number. So with this row number equal to 10 means after filtering nothing is there. Okay, while displaying time only row number will add, otherwise it won't add it for the original database, original data. Okay, so you should aware of this one. If you want fetch the records means you should use less than or equal to. Okay, it will work. Row number will work with equality operator only for the one. Okay, first record, if you want fetch first record means you can use directly row number equal to 1. That will work. But if you want to fetch other than 1 means you should specify the less than or equal to only. Okay, you're getting or not? Greater than also will not work. Okay, simply it will show means it row number will add as a virtual column after fetching the data, not along with the data. That's why it is a virtual additional virtual columns. Okay, means we cannot save this one in the database. If you want, you can mention this one. Okay, you can specify the row number outside. Okay, here we can in this subquery we can say this one. Okay, scalar subquery. Select for this one row number you can specify rn. Okay, e dot star, right? Okay, so you can mention star from this is our syntax, right? Subquery syntax. Subquery means earlier we used in the where class. This is also one of the way to use the subquery. This is also called subquery. This we can say scalar query. Scalar query means we are specifying the records, we are specifying the queries in the place of table. This is table, right? Actually, if you are specifying earlier, we have joined also like this. Okay, this is we can consider as a one table, and we can specify one more statement as a separate table. Like that, we can do. We can able to use or not. So, anybody confirm? Can we use or not? Already we discussed, right? This thing. In the place of table name, we can specify the complete select statement. Okay, this name, this name. Say, this is scalar query. We can say this one. Okay, if you want to select a specific row number, means simply you can use the where class with the. For this one, you can make the alias name rn. For that, you can get the data. Okay, rn equal to 3. Okay, rn correct only. Here we are having. Okay, this is the row number. Next pseudo column is row id. Row id means what? Anybody tell me just now I told. It's the physical address of the record, right? Its physical address will be like this. First triple A is first three characters will be the file name. Okay, file name means it's a table. If you check in the tables means select star from all underscore tables, we are having the table IDs. Okay, we are having more number of tables. Okay, we are having tables. Okay, we are having table names like this. If we want to see the specific table means table underscore name equal to our table is what emp, right? See, data will be in the dictionaries table names, any object name, not only table, any object name will be stored in uppercase only. Okay, but you remember. See, for this one maybe it is there that physical address. Okay, file name. So for tables, DBA tables, we can say. Okay. How I will get, how we can get the physical address, I will tell you. This one I don't think so. This is also not having the that physical address. Okay, actually this is row ID means in first three columns, first three values will be the not okay. Uh, file name for the table. Each table will maintain as a separate file. Okay, that file name address will be the first three characters. Next is what we are having the data block number. Okay, data will be stored in the database as a data blocks. Means see, anybody knows how the memory will be in the original system. Okay, let's say I will tell you. See, this is OS. In that OS, if you are installed the Oracle system is for the Oracle, it will allocate some space. Okay, it will be extendable maybe. Okay, but it will means here whatever data comes, if you install the Oracle means it will occupy some memory. Here the data will be stored. Okay, that conversion and everything will taken care by Oracle. Okay, that software it will taken care. Here data, if you are saving, if you are inserting the records means it will occupy some memory. Okay, if you are inserted some other memory means some other records means again it will occupy some memory. Okay, this we can say data blocks. Yeah, see, today you have inserted this many number of records. Okay, this occupied 100 MB. Okay, next day you are inserting again means what if the place is there, it will insert here as well. This is the separate data block, we can say, right? Under data blocks, this is one of the table. Okay, means memory will be split into blocks. That is the functionality of memory allocation. That is basic point. Okay, uh, one block is completed, one block is full, then it will create data will be ingested into separate another data block. If that is also full, it will data will be inserted into another data block. Like that data will be stored. But maybe for EMP data, in this block also there, in this also there, here also there, but this header information will be there in the here one metadata layer will be there. Okay, it is not the specific layer, but Oracle will maintain the metadata for these files. Okay, it will fetch the all the data in the data blocks. Like that data distribution will be there. Okay, see that block ID will be there here. Okay, row ID means in that physical address, that block ID also will be there. Next four character, next three characters, S0K 0K. Okay, that is the block ID. Next, record number. This is the record number. Okay, last whatever is there, this is the record number. Means it is a, what is this one, AABB. It is, I am telling this is number. Okay, but here it is storing in the form of ABC alphabets, right? What does mean? This is the ASCII values of the row numbers. Okay, if you check, this will be the order by EMP number. Let's see how it will display. Oh, sorry, where I have buried here already here. See, if you see the data, the address is sequential GHI J. Actually, in middle I have changed that one. Updations, insertion. This happens. That's where this got changed. Okay. Normally it will be sequence. A B C D E F G. See, in the sequence only data will be stored. Okay. This row ID in Oracle we can use for the to deleting the data. See, can anybody tell me if we are deleting the data in the database, what will happen? How delete will happen? Can anybody tell me? Yeah, that is okay. Syntax is delete from table. Okay, delete from table. Somewhere if you we have the filter means we have the where class. Okay. Normally it delete will happen in the buffer. Okay. Once we trigger the commit, then only data will go and delete from the hard disk. Means permanent storage. Okay. Let's see, we'll create one, it's a temporary table. Select star from table A. Okay, so we are having data. Okay, now you can check the row IDs for that. You need to specify the A. Okay, and we are going for that. If you want to see the original address for the data, this one. See what you can do. So, you can delete the data from the table. Delete from table A. Okay. See, you check the row IDs whether row IDs are there or not. Here it actually it is a auto commit is enabled in this one. Told that's why it is not showing. Actually, physically the data is not deleted normally, but it is here it is enabled auto commit. That's why here it is not showing. Normally in buffer only delete will do the delete operation. Originally data will be exist. Once we trigger the commit, then only data will be removed from the permanent storage. That time the address of the record will delete. Till that time it won't get delete raw IDs. Okay, if you want you can check in the SQL developer tomorrow. If you want you can, I will show you that one. Row ID will normally will use for the deleting the duplicates. Okay, you can create one table, create table, table duplicate. Okay, I will mention only A. And specify the in Oracle word, row ID will be used for the deleting the duplicates. I will show you how it will be. Insert into table duplicate. Okay, I'll use the number type right. I will insert it twice. Okay, same record. Also, I will insert twice. Okay, let's say select star from table duplicate. See, we are having the data duplicate records, right? Let's see row ID. Even though we are having the duplicates, physical address will be different. Yeah, star. You should specify the. If you are specifying, if you are selecting the star means you should specify the other name. Okay. See, physical address will be different. AAB, AAC, AAD. Okay, this you can let it be. This one is the first four characters is what this is table. Okay, table IDs means file number. Next is the block number. Next is the row number. Okay, row numbers are different. Even though we are having duplicates, their row IDs are different. If you want delete the duplicates means how we can do. We we should not delete this one, right? At least one should be there here. Here also one should be there. You can, if you want to delete means you should delete based on the row ID. Okay, for that simply first you can what you can do, select the row ID from table duplicate. Okay, so here what you are getting, you are selecting. If you deleted the maximum row IDs for the equivalent means you will be, you are deleting the duplicates. Okay, simply I will show you that one. Delete from table duplicates where max. Okay, max are simply row ID equal to if you are deleting the maximum row IDs, maximum row IDs for the grouping the values, right? We need to make the group by, right? Group by original values. Original values is what? What is the column name? We need to, here. Column name is A, right? We need to make the group A values. It means what you are doing here, you are grouping the data and you are getting the maximum IDs. Okay. If you are deleting this row IDs means you will means you can able to delete the duplicates. Okay. Minimum IDs will be there in the table, right? You will delete only maximum row IDs. You are getting or not? You are grouping the data by using the values. For that, what you will do, maximum row IDs, you can if you deleted means original means minimum IDs will be there here. Okay, let's see what will happen. Okay, what is the problem? It is equal to operator. We should use the in operator. Okay, two rows deleted means that maximum IDs deleted, right? B is also having A earlier. D also D also having A value 2. So what I did, I selected the maximum IDs for that, and those I have deleted from the table duplicate. This is there. This is permanent storage in the table duplicates, but row number is the virtual. This is physical existence row ID. Okay, you should be aware of that difference between row ID and row number. Row number, if you want what randomly row numbers means row numbers for the result set means you can use the row number. If you want physical address means you can use the row ID for that. You understood or not? Guys, you should respond. Okay. Okay. We'll take 10 minutes break. We'll see. Okay, we can start the PLC quiz today. Shall we stop class here? If you have any doubts, we can discuss. Otherwise, we'll stop 10 minutes. Okay? Next 10 minutes, we'll start the PLC quiz. Okay or not? Respond one ba. Okay. 5 to 10 minutes break. This one start. Okay, bye.